So my name is Gloria Simukonde, and as you can see, I'm outside the dissection room. So dissections are taken in a course called gross anatomy, of which we have Madam Vivianne Syamuleya, who is in charge of us. From how she conducts us, how she guides us, I can tell really, and I'm so confident in what we're doing because we have someone who is well acquainted of the course. And looking at where we are now, we're doing the head and neck, of which she has been guiding us all throughout the body. She comes when we're doing a specific region, she's always there to guide us, tell us what we need to know, what we shouldn't miss out, and we're there to actually explain what we have learned to her, and she's there to point out maybe certain mistakes, what we should improve on. So to me, that is a very good way of learning, and I'm so confident that even when we go out for the clinicals, it will be so much easier, because even for the dissections, we're doing them on our own without anybody cutting for us or anything like that. All that is done is maybe when Madam Vivianne comes and she asks us what we have already done, not that she's there cutting for us. So we are doing the work, we are gaining the experience, and that is really good for our next step. Thank you.